How to plant rye grass seed. Put an end to dreary dead grass during the winter and grow one of the most versatile grasses for your yard. Once primarily a European grass, rye grass has made itself a staple for lawns across America. Keep in mind that there are two kinds of types, both annual and perennial. The difference is in the grass's preference of climate. Perennial is perfect for those living in cooler climates with milder summers, while annual will only live for one season and must be replanted in southern states. Growing rye grass is easy for beginners who want a professional-looking landscape. Things you will need: rye grass seed, hose, lawnmower. Prepare lawn in mid-September to mid-October by not watering it for 8 to 10 days. Set lawnmower blade to lowest setting. Mow lawn to shortest length, so that rye seed can settle into soil. Spread seed by hand over lawn. Water lawn immediately after spreading seed, preferably in the late afternoon. Mow rye grass and enjoy a blanket of thick green grass. Stop watering grass at the beginning of summer to ensure grass will die out. Water grass again after 10 days to begin your summer grass cycle. Tips: warnings. Be cognizant that the seed is making direct contact with the soil. Test the health of your soil if problems arise from grass not growing. Avoid watering during the hottest times of the day to prevent grass burning. Refrain from seeding right after using herbicides on your yard.